Here is her hair. You can see it's really growing. I'm so proud of her. You know, just coping with me, doing my thing with her hair and everything. It's nice. Look at that. Woohoo! Okay, so it's really growing. I'm so amazed with our results and stuff. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, we're gonna quickly show you how we grease and oil her hair after washing it. We just went through and washed her hair squeaky clean. It's really amazing. It feels soft and everything. So we want to lock in that moisture so that way she can go about her day, play, and do everything that she does. Okay, so here she is. Sit on me so I can show. We have her hair parted into 4 sections. We're playing musical chair here. We have 3 hair holders, but we have 4 parts. So every time we are done with one, we'll just twist it away and stuff. So we wash once or twice a week, and we use grease and oil, sometimes just straight out grease, and that's all we do. Okay, so please enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new. If you like hair content and everything, give the video a thumbs up for more support. Guys, I'm so excited. I see that the channel is growing. Thank you so much for all the support, friends. It's much appreciated. Okay, keep it coming. Please subscribe, please share the videos. I'm gonna show you how we grease her hair. Okay, enjoy. Wow guys, this really sucks. So let's see, I wanted to show you the process of how I mix it. I just poured some castor oil. I got this from Ross. Okay, so you know, with these stores, it's whatever you find, that's what they have. It's not a constant supply. Okay, so here I got this. It's pretty good. I just poured some in there, and then I use my finger. I just grab a good amount of the blue magic grease and I put it in this bowl and I mix it. I thought I was recording. I just realized that it wasn't recording anything. Now we're gonna cover it, put it away, and I have my rat tail comb to part her hair. We're gonna go